A new facility at the Flinders Medical Centre is designed to be a world leader in new clinical approaches to cancer patients. It'll focus on reducing the mental and physical stress that comes with cancer treatment, as well as surviving the disease.
The Flinders Centre for Innovation in Cancer was formally commissioned today. It will focus on cancer research as well as possible cures and improved treatment processes.
It's accessible. They're able to do other things while they're sitting for hours doing chemotherapy. They're able to have friends and family in. They're in a warm, welcoming, engaging environment.
It incorporates the Livestrong Cancer Research Centre pioneered by the Tour de France champion Lance Armstrong, who gave his support in a video.
Over the next years and decades, the Flinders Centre for Innovation in Cancer will produce state-of-the-art research that will transform how we fight this disease.
The centre has cost $28 million to develop through government grants and support from thousands of private donors.
It's not just abstract research looking at particular things down the end of a microscope. It's looking about what happens, what works with patients in the real world and how we can improve the care that they get going into the future.
While the door has opened on one new treatment centre, the state opposition says another may close at the Wayville Dialysis Clinic. It's been contacted by a patient who received a letter from SA Health saying it was due to close. The opposition says it will have a knock-on effect on other local dialysis centres.
It's usually several hours at a time, several times a week, so probably 56 people being serviced there. You know, you're going to have an impact elsewhere if you try to get them to go elsewhere.
The Minister denies the Wayville Centre will close and says patients are only being consulted on alternative treatments.
This is a perfectly sensible process that the Health Department is going through to talk to patients and clinicians about the best way of delivering a service into the future.
Mr Hill says that includes dialysis in a nursing home or at a patient's own house. Chris McLaughlin, ABC News, Adelaide.